Hello student, welcome to the BM classes. This is Bishnu Mahananda, lecturer in English, Pirabati Junior College. Today we discuss the question answer of the first poem of the plus 2 second year art science and the commerce, the famous poem Daffodils, written by the famous poet William Wordsworth. Today, my dear student, we discuss the question answer of the first poem of the plus 2 second year art science and the commerce, Daffodils. Before we go to the question answer, I want to give you some important tips regarding the question and answer. Before we write the question and answer, you must have to understand the question properly. Whether the question in present or past or future time or tense, we have to understand properly. Then we start our answer. Now come to the question and answer page. The first question is, when did the poet see the daffodils? When did the poet see the daffodils? When? That means in which time? When did place for and stand for the past tense. When did, that means that is the action of the past tense. When did the poet see the daffodils? When did the poet, that means in which time? And then the when the poet see the daffodils, flower daffodils. Dear student, today we discuss only in the oral question answer. In my next class, if you like my channel, we discuss the pen, paper and the blackboard discussion of the question answer of this famous poem plus 2 second year art science and commerce, the first poem, the daffodils. Wait for that class. And if you are new viewer, if you are watching first time in this channel, to my channel, you must have to subscribe and press the bell icon to update with me. When did the poet see the daffodils? That means when did stand for the past tense. The answer will be must in that same tense. When did the poet see the daffodils? The answer will be when the poet was wandering like a lonely cloud, he saw a host of golden daffodils. I want to repeat it once again. When the poet was wandering like a lonely cloud, he saw a crowd of golden daffodils. Understood? This is one of the famous style of writing answer. According to me, when did the poet see the daffodils? The answer will be the poet. The half answer is already in this question. The poet, then you have to use the past tense of see. The poet saw the daffodils when he was wandering lolling as cloud near the lake. Now come to the next questions. Question number 2. Where did the poet see the daffodils? Where did the poet see the daffodils? Where? And which place? Where stand for the place? Which place? Like that questions, this question is also in the past tense. Where did the poet see the daffodils? The answer will be in the same tense. This question is in the past tense, so that the answer also will be in the past tense. The poet saw saw the daffodils beside the lake beneath the tree. And as for my experience, I want to modify this answer of these questions. The poet saw the daffodils. The poet saw a host of golden daffodils beneath the tree, in the lake, beside the lake, beneath the tree, when he was wandering lonely as cloud. When he was wandering lonely as cloud. Now come to the next questions. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks to describe the idea of stanza 1. Fill in the blanks to describe the idea of stanza 1. The poet was dash in the English countryside. He saw thousands of dash fluttering and dancing beneath dash and beside dash. The daffodils appeared to be dash in the strong breeze. The poet was that is wandering. The fill in the blanks will be the proper answer. The poet was wandering in the English countryside. He saw thousands of daffodils fluttering and dancing beneath the tree and beside the lake. The daffodils appeared to the dancing and the strong breeze. In the strong breeze to be dancing. This is a good type of answer, and I hope this type of answer will not come in your exam. As per the pattern, there will be that a small stanza or one or two stanza will come in your examination, and you have to attend the question answer with the help of the given stanza in your CHSE examination. Number 4. Question number 4. What does the poet compare the daffodils with? Question number 4. What does the poet compare the daffodils with? In this question, the poet is comparing the flower with something, with somebody. What does the poet compare the daffodils with? That means the poet is comparing with which object to the daffodils. You have to write the proper answer according to the questions. If the this question is in the present simple, so that you must have to write in the same tense. You don't have to do the wrong answer. What did the poet compare the daffodils with? The correct answer will be the poet compare the daffodils with the stars that shines in the sky. The stars that shines in the sky. Now come to the next questions. What remembrance does he find between the stars and the daffodils? The question is very easy, but may be difficult for someone. The answer will be the stars are endless and infinite. They shine brightly. The daffodils were endless and look vivacious. The next question is, where were the flowers? In which place? That means, where were the flowers? Where were the flowers? The flowers stretches in never-ending lines along the margin of the bay. And another question is, what does the poet say about the number of flowers? What does the poet say about the number of flowers? This question is very easy for all of you. I hope that. What does the poet say about the number of flowers? The answer is, the question is in the present tense, so that you must have to write in the present tense. The poet, what does the poet say about the number of flowers? The answer will be the poet says that. The question was in present simple, so that the answer will be in the same tense, present simple. The poet says that they were innumerable daffodils in the lake. They were innumerable daffodils in the lake. But at a glance, he could see 10,000 of them. As for the poets, he saw at the same time 10,000 of flowers. My dear student, I hope you must understand it. The next question is, or the last question is, which of the two dance more sprightly, the waves or the daffodils? The option is also there. Which of the two dance more sprightly, the waves or the daffodils? You have to choose anyone. According to me, the daffodils dance more sprightly than the waves. The dance of the daffodils were more sprightly than the waves. My dear student, if you like my channel, like, share, comment and subscribe, and wait for my next video. Thank you.